Hello, all the lovely students. Hope everyone is fine and working properly. So, here we are back again in Masti Ki Rangshala organized by KDPS. So, let's see what new activity today Ritika ma'am has in online summer escape. Let's get started with it. So, for the activity, take out your sheets or your files for today's date and classwork. So, she has drawn a poster based on the theme COVID-19, and the poster says all about how to be safe during COVID-19. So she has drawn a earth wearing mask. This is the first precaution you have to take, that you have to be in mask always nowadays. So look carefully how she is drawing and what message she wants to give with this poster. The next precaution what we need to take during these times is we need to maintain social distancing. So we have to be precautious while we are in the crowd. We need to maintain social distancing. And the third precaution is we need to regularly sanitize our hands on the proper interval. The sanitization is important. Or the other thing is washing the hands on the regular intervals while going out or coming home back. You need to wash hands or sanitize it. So after making the poster, you just have to give few shades of light color in the pics, like she is doing it with blue light shade. You have to give it a light shade of blue color. Similarly, you need to do it. After the blue shade, she is doing some yellow shade, some red shade, and in the earth she has chosen up the blue color for shading. Similarly, you need to use these shades to color the whole poster. So this is how you need to make the poster. After coloring, this is how it will look, and the poster gives us the message of stay strong and boost your immunity. So this is what the poster says, and this is how it will look. And she is giving a background yellow shade to it to give it a finishing. So after shading all of the things, how it will look. And this is how the poster is ready. This is how it will look. Do it in the same way and send the pics of your work in the WhatsApp group. Thank you everyone.